This video will go over the features and how to change the time on your Striker speedometer. The speedometer has three physical buttons. At the bottom to the left is a down arrow, the middle button says mode, and the right has an up arrow. The Striker speedometer has three screens. Starting to the top left of screen 1 is SPD, or your current speed. To the right is the clock and DST, which stands for distance. This is your trip meter and can be reset. The bottom left has your golf cart's current battery voltage. The middle is your engine temperature, which should not be hooked up. And to the far right you have RT, or ride time. This will be running when your golf cart is in motion and is similar to an hour meter if your golf cart has this feature. Pressing mode will go to screen 2, and these bottom two options change. Now you have the air temperature and TT, which stands for trip time. This is a stopwatch. If you hit the left button, it will start to count, and also the clock icon in the top right will start to blink. Pressing the left button again will pause the trip time. Pressing mode again goes to your third screen, and again starting with the top left, here you have average and max speed, ODO, or your total odometer. To the bottom you have minimum and max battery voltage, a blank section in the middle, and ART, or accumulated ride time, to the right. This is the total time in motion on the golf cart since the speedometer has been installed. If you want to reset your distance, ride time, and trip time, you'll press the left button and mode for about 3 seconds. The screen will flash, and now you have fresh distance, ride time, and trip time. To change the clock, we'll have to press all three buttons together for about 3 seconds until we can get into the settings menu. Now, we will hit the middle button 3 times to get to the clock. Our left button will change the time, and the right button will go to the next digit. Here we can change time. We will press mode all the way until you get out of the screen. If your clock defaults to 12 o'clock each time you turn the golf cart on, you have to change the battery in the back of the speedometer. To do this, take a coin to the back cover and replace the 3-volt watch battery. This will have to be done every 1 to 2 years depending on use.